let's talk about how to make money online for free as a kid or teenager and have fun while doing it. Freecash.com is one of the easiest and most entertaining ways to earn rewards like gift cards. So, whether you're saving up for something special or just want a bit of extra spending money, this platform has you covered. And the best part, the ways to earn aren't boring. You can test games, try apps, or even watch videos. It's fun, easy, and doesn't cost a thing to get started. So why is Freecash.com the ideal platform for earning gift cards? Well, it's not just about earning, it's about enjoying the process. You're not stuck filling out endless surveys or completing tedious tasks. Instead, you can try out fun mobile games, test apps from the App Store, or watch entertaining videos. Once you've earned points, you can redeem them for gift cards to popular stores like Amazon, Google Play, or even your favorite gaming platforms. It's super flexible, so you can choose the rewards that matter most to you. And here's a bonus. Freecash has a low cash out threshold. You only need to earn 50 cents before you can start redeeming your rewards. That means you don't have to spend weeks grinding before you see results. Freecash also keeps things fresh with a variety of tasks. If you're feeling adventurous, you can explore offers that reward you for trying new apps or signing up for free trials. It's like discovering cool tools or games while getting paid to do it. Getting started on Freecash.com is quick and easy. Use the link in the description or pinned comment, or scan the QR code on your screen. By signing up through this link, you unlock any exclusive bonuses available for new users, giving you a head start. Once you've signed up, you'll see a variety of tasks to choose from. If you want to keep things fun, start with the app testing or game trials. These tasks let you try out new apps or games while earning points. Watching videos is another easy and entertaining option. It's all about finding the activities that work best for you. And here's a tip. Focus on tasks that offer higher rewards to maximize your time. Freecash organizes everything by payout value, so it's easy to find the most lucrative options. Now let's talk about how much you can earn. Freecash makes it possible to earn between $5 and $30 a day, depending on how much time you spend and which tasks you choose. High-paying tasks like game trials or app testing are great if you want to maximize your points. If you're consistent, you can take advantage of Freecash's daily rewards. The platform has a leaderboard that rewards the top users with bonus points, giving you even more opportunities to boost your earnings. Even spending just 15 to 20 minutes a day can add up over time. You might earn enough for an Amazon gift card in a couple of days, or save up for a larger prize like gaming credits or gadgets. Freecash isn't just another platform. It's designed to make earning money online easy and enjoyable. The tasks are varied and engaging, so you're never stuck doing the same thing over and over. The ability to earn gift cards is a huge draw. Whether you're saving for something on Amazon, topping up your Google Play balance, or grabbing gaming credits, Freecash makes it easy to earn rewards you'll actually use. And the instant payouts are a game changer. Once you've earned enough points, you can redeem them right away. No waiting around, no frustration, just quick results. Freecash also has a referral program where you can invite friends to join and earn extra points for their activity. It's a win-win situation, especially if you know others who'd love to make extra money online. If you're looking to get the most out of Freecash, consistency is key. Check in daily to complete tasks and explore new offers. Focus on activities that are both fun and high-paying, like testing new apps or playing games. Also, don't forget to participate in Freecash's leaderboard challenges. These daily competitions reward the most active users with bonus points, which can significantly boost your earnings. It's an easy way to make even more without putting in extra time. Finally, refer your friends. Freecash has a great referral system that rewards you for every friend who signs up and starts earning. So that's how to make money online for free as a kid or teenager. In 2025, Freecash.com makes it fun, easy, and rewarding. With entertaining tasks like testing apps, playing games, and watching videos, you'll actually enjoy the process. And the ability to cash out for gift cards means you can turn your free time into real rewards quickly. Ready to start earning? Use the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up today. It's completely free, and you can start redeeming your first gift cards in no time. Don't Don't wait, give it a try and see how much you can earn while having fun.